Hi there, good morning all. Once again, you're welcome to my channel Experience Epiphany. Today I'll be showing you how to make Zobo drink using the Zobo leaf and ginger, sweetened with dates. The health benefits of Zobo leaf. Zobo has a lot of health benefits. It helps in maintaining a lot of health challenges. According to tradition, one of the health benefits of Zobo drink include relief from menstrual pain and cramps. It lowers blood pressure in mildly hypertensive adults and is also known to lower cholesterol. It protects the liver. It's also known to contain anti-cancer properties. The Zobo drink is also an anti-inflammatory and antibacterial agent. It also promotes weight loss. These are the Zobo leaves. There are two types in the market. These are the crushed one, and they produce a more red drink at the end of the boiling. There's another type that is whole leaves. I used to use that before, but now I use this. I told you I was going to add ginger to it also. Ginger serves as a flavor that I add to it, natural ginger. I don't add any artificial thing to my drink. Most times I use natural fruits such as pineapple, orange, ginger, and sometimes cucumber, depending on what the person wants. The amount of Zobo to use for this recipe will be about 12 of this cup. That's a measuring cup, because this bowl contains 8 cups. That's 8 of this cup. So this is about 6 cups, and I'm going to use 2 of this bowl. So that would be 12 cups of this. Ginger can be a bit pepperish for some people. They can't tolerate the pepper or the hotness of ginger, so you can reduce it if you want to. The health benefits of ginger include the fact that it contains a compound called gingerol, which is good in aiding digestion. It also reduces nausea during morning sickness in pregnant women. It may also help those trying to lose weight. It also reduces menstrual pain. Ginger has lots of nutrients that have powerful health benefits for your body and brain. The ginger, I use 6 cloves of ginger to 4 liters of water. 6 cloves of ginger to 4 liters of water. So for this recipe, I'm going to be using 12 cloves of ginger. Sometimes you can reduce it depending on your taste or preference. Make sure you wash the ginger properly in water. Get all the sand out, because usually it's very dirty. Most times they wash it in the market to get some part of the dirt out, but not everything gets out, so you need to wash it really well. Here's the ginger ready for blending. I'll blend it and then I'll show you after I have blended it, because I don't have a big blender. But if you have a big blender, you can chop it into small bits and blend everything at once. Just blend it into a fine paste. It's not necessarily a fine paste, but blend it to a point that the juice can come out and sip into the Zobo drink. Here is the measured Zobo leaf I told you I was going to use for 8 liters. This is about 10 to 12 cups. You can use like 10 to 12 cups of the Zobo leaf for 8 liters of water, or to 8 liters of water. Go ahead and wash the Zobo leaf now. It has a lot of stones in it and dust, so you have to wash it like about 3 to 4 times. Go ahead and wash the Zobo leaf. Add some water to it. Make sure the water is above the Zobo leaf, and then wash it like 3 times or thereabout. I'm still washing the Zobo leaf. This is what you do so that the stones can go to the bottom. Cover the leaves with water, enough water, and use the sieve to get get the water out or separate the water from the leaves, and then you do it in such a way that the stones remain at the bottom. As you can see what I'm doing. I'm trying to separate the stones from the zobo leaf. I'm sure you can see the amount of stones at the bottom. So you can wash this 3 times or 4 times depending on preference. This is the washed zobo leaf. So go ahead and pour it in your pot. This is the amount of water I'll be using. This is 8 liters of water. As you can see, the bowl is graduated already. You might not be able to see it clearly because I've already measured the water into it. But this is what I'm going to be using in my recipe, 8 liters of water. Here is the blended ginger.
Here is the zobo leaf.
With the 8 liters of water, I've added it into the pot. So go ahead and pour in your ginger. Pour in your ginger and allow it to boil. Usually my zobo, from the point of boiling, when it first starts boiling, I leave it on fire for 30 minutes after the first signs of boiling. You can see the zobo has just started boiling. So after now, I'll let it boil for 30 minutes more, then it will be cooked enough. This is the zobo boiling after 30 minutes. I'm going to sieve it now. A sieve like this, and then look for a fine sieve like this, and then sieve it again. You can reboil the zobo if you want to. You can just add a little water to it and reboil it again. Otherwise, just throw the chaff away.
This is the zobo
in the bucket. I'm just waiting for the one on fire to get boiled, and then I'll add it to it and then mix it with dabino to sweeten it and refrigerate. I'm going to make about 10 bottles of 50 cl. I'm going to bottle it in 50 cl bottles, and this amount is going to make 10 bottles, which I've measured. And this is the amount of dabino that I'm going to add to it. I told you yesterday that I blended, or earlier I told you that I blended 120 dates, and that's what I'm going to add into the mix now. I'll start adding it into the mix. Add everything into it, mix it thoroughly, and then sieve it and bottle it. This is the zobo with the dates added, the blended dates. I've added it to it. You can see that the color has changed slightly. So I'm going to sieve it and then bottle it. I'm passing it through a sieve. I'm passing it through the sieve. Here's the finished product. Here is the zobo being poured into a cup for you to enjoy.
Here is the
zobo sweetened with dates. Thanks for watching. Bye. Bye.